Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the new PS5. It was really a big struggle to get my hands on the PS5, but I finally got my PS5 from Walmart. Like, it was really a big struggle to get my PS5. Actually, it started from November 22. I got the PS5 from Kohl's around 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. Then after 3 days, they canceled my order. And the most annoying thing was that when I got the order from Kohl's, that same night, I was able to put the PS5 in my cart on Best Buy, the Best Buy application. I didn't know that Kohl's was gonna cancel my application, so I was really frustrated. Anyways, I talked too much. Let's get to the unboxing of the PS5. Now let's see what comes in the box. I'm really. Woo! Let's see what comes in the box. I hope it's not like like a gas cooker or something, or a stone or something. I hope so. I can actually see my PS5. Like, woo! I can't wait to see what comes in the box. Okay. Yeah, it's the PS5. I got my PS5 from Walmart and I'm really excited. So let me get the PS5 out of the Walmart box. This is the PS5. 8K, 4K 120Hz, HDR, PS5. So let's see what comes in this box. Oh, I actually like the packaging of the box. I really love the packaging of the box. I guess I should open it like this. Let me try and open it like this. Okay, we get the instruction manuals. I'm not gonna read this, so I'm just gonna put this to the side. Okay, let's see what next is in the box. You get your cable, your power cable. So let's see what next is in the box. Yep, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this DualSense controller. Like, I've been seeing it online, but in person, this thing actually looks amazing. You also get a stand for the PS5, which works for both horizontal and vertical. And you also get an HDMI 2.1, which supports up to 4K at 120 frames per second. And finally, your USB-C cable for charging the controller. So let's see what else comes in the box. Man, let's see what else comes in the box. Okay. Now let's take out the PS5. Okay. Finally, the main guy, the PS5 itself. Anyways, guys, that's the unboxing of the PS5. I'm really excited about the DualSense controller. I feel like most of the sources behind the PS5 is the DualSense controller. Like, this thing, I've been hearing a lot of amazing things about the DualSense controller, but I can't wait to really try it out myself. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.